At You Try AI, we build AI automations. What exactly is an AI automation, you may ask? Well, that's a great question. And instead of just telling you, let's show you. I want you to meet Pete the Plumber. Pete's working hard to grow his plumbing business, but he's got a lot on his plate and he can't do it all alone. And hiring a big team right now is not in the budget. So he's turning to the digital dream team from You Try AI. First, Pete sets up an AI assistant. So while Pete's busy on a job, the AI assistant is scheduling appointments and managing his calendar in the background, so there's no more missed bookings just because Pete's hands are full. Next up, he has an AI salesperson. Imagine Pete's under a sink and doing what he does best, fixing a leak, and a new customer's calling him frantically wanting to book him for another job. And instead of missing that opportunity, the AI sales agent steps in with voice AI to call that customer and confirm the details and get that job booked on the spot while Pete is fixing the toilet. For customer care, there might be a customer with a pressing question or concern, and our AI customer care agent is trained on Pete's own FAQs and can instantly respond and help smooth things over. It keeps the customers happy and informed. But then there's the AI video producer. Instead of Pete having to be on camera all the time, he can use an AI avatar of himself to create helpful informational videos and help grow his business without him even having to be there to film it. And finally, there's the AI HR specialist. When Pete is ready to bring on new hires because his business is growing, the AI HR specialist can assist with onboarding and training and making it seamless and efficient to bring new people onto the team and know exactly what to do. So in every way, these AI tools give Pete the extra hands he needs. And it's not just Pete the Plumber who can benefit. If you're a small business owner, AI can work for you too. Whatever softwares or systems you are using on a daily basis, we can build custom AI solutions to help them run in the background without you having to be there. Using AI is way more than just prompting ChatGPT. It's about letting AI run parts of your business so that you can focus on what you do best, so that you can do only what humans can do, and that is to connect with your customers and serve them well. If you'd like to learn more, just contact us today or fill out the form on our website at youtryai.com.